Question number 106. Mutation in a gene which codes for RNA polymerase III makes it non-functional, which further affects the synthesis of. First option 18S rRNA, second HNRNA, third 5S rRNA, fourth 5.8S rRNA. If there is mutation in the gene which codes for RNA polymerase III, then it will affect the synthesis of which of the following? RNA polymerase III codes for tRNA, 5S rRNA, and other RNAs such as small cytoplasmic RNAs. So, if there is mutation in the gene which codes for RNA polymerase III, then there will be no synthesis of tRNA and 5S rRNA. So this is the correct one. First option 18S rRNA. No, the RNA polymerase I codes for 18S RNA and the 5.8S rRNA. So these two options are ruled out. What about the second, which is HNRNA? HNRNA is coded by RNA polymerase II. So this option is also ruled out. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 107. The chromosomes which contain maximum and minimum number of genes in human genome are: first option an autosome and an allosome respectively, second an allosome and an autosome respectively, third both autosomes, fourth both allosomes. The chromosome which contain the maximum number of genes in humans is chromosome number 1, and chromosome number 1 is an autosome. And the chromosome which contains the minimum number of genes is Y chromosome, and it is an allosome. Allosome is the 6th chromosome. So it is an autosome and the allosome respectively. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 108. Polymorphism in DNA sequence is the basis of which of the following? A. Genetic mapping of human genome. B. DNA fingerprinting. C. Similarities among human beings. First option only A, second only B, third only A and B, fourth only B and C. Polymorphism in DNA sequence means the differences in the bases in the DNA sequence is the basis for the genetic mapping of human genome. True. It is the also basis of DNA fingerprinting, which was discovered by Alec and Jeffries. So it is also correct. It is not the basis for the similarities among the human beings. So this is not correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 109. Satellite DNA, first option, codes for proteins which are needed in the chloroplast. Second, codes enzymes for Krebs cycle. Third, does not code for proteins. Fourth, form a little portion of human genome. Satellite DNA is the DNA which does not code for any kind of proteins. It is the major portion of the human genome, and it is also known as repetitive DNA. So, it codes for proteins which are needed in the chloroplast? No. Codes enzymes for Krebs cycle? No. Krebs cycle is TCA cycle, which helps in breakdown of food during the respiration. So third is does not code for proteins. Correct. Form a little portion of human genome? No. It is the bulky portion of the human genome. It is the major portion. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 110. HIV, first option, does not follow the central dogma of molecular biology. Second, has double-stranded RNA as its genetic material. Third, contains thymine in its genetic material. Fourth, has equal proportions of purines and pyrimidines. HIV, human immunovirus, is a retrovirus. Means it has RNA as the genetic material. Now, it does not follow the central dogma of molecular biology. Central dogma of molecular biology says that DNA forms the mRNA and mRNA forms the proteins. So this step is transcription And this one is translation. And DNA can make its copies with the help of replication. So this is called central dogma of biology. When there is a unidirectional flow of information from DNA to mRNA, mRNA to proteins, but HIV contains RNA, and if it contains RNA, it cannot follow the central dogma of biology. So this is correct. It does not follow the central dogma of biology. It has double-stranded RNA as a genetic material. No, it has single-stranded RNA as its genetic material. So this is incorrect. Contains thymine in its genetic material. No, it is incorrect. Why? Because RNA does not have thymine. Instead, it has uracil. So this is also incorrect. Fourth one, has equal proportions of purines and pyrimidines. According to Chargaff's rule, double-stranded DNA has equal amount of purines and pyrimidines, not the RNA. We cannot say anything about the amount of purine and pyrimidines in the RNA until it is experimentally calculated. So this is wrong. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question.